Hello, I am Le French. This is a test video on the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. I figured out that I was really bad at this game, and I wanted to say things in English with a French accent terrible. So, let's play. As you can see, I already have a file. So I'm gonna do a new run and playing with Isaac. Okay. Let's go. Fuck, what's happening? Already problems. Why? What's happening for... Oh, come on. Ah, that was it. Okay, so let's go into this room. Oh, PhD. Better pills. Fuck Steam, fuck. I don't want the Steam interface. How do we cut it off? I don't like it. Paramètres. Dans un jeu. I don't want this. Okay, this should be better. So, let's do it. So, if I got pills, I will have better pills. That said, I don't have any pills. Ah! Fucking flies! Come on! Don't hide yourself behind a rock! Ah! You shot 2 bullets at the time! You motherfucking fly! Aha! Who's playing smart now? Oh, why are you this color? I don't think this is good. Come on! Let me live in peace, and not in my peace. Die. Why don't you die? Please die. Oh, that's a surprise. Oh, come on. I only have got 1 heart left. This is gonna be difficult. I don't know why he's colored this way, but anyway, I want this. Oh, come. Oh, I got a bomb. I will have a heart. Yes, this is good. This is good art. How can I catch this? Oh, I don't know what I... Oh, this is a very good room, full of art. I like it. I don't know why it did that, but... Oh, shit, I didn't saw it was the boss. But the Duckfly is an easy boss, as I remember. Well, I guess I don't have to put myself in the corner. This is a very bad strategy. You can hear the fan blowing behind me because I'm French and it's very hot in France today. If you don't like it, I don't care. This is the way I am. Come on. If you came to see some beautiful skills, you are in the wrong place. Because I can't play this game properly. Come on, die! Die, you motherfucker fly. Fly fucker. You are rotting all the fly you eaten. Die. That was it. What's this? HP up, I like it. This is good for me. But I want to explore the level a little bit more. I don't have any keys. That's disappointing. Oh, versus the pride. Ah, you didn't touch me. But I'm sure that... Oh, shit. You are not really difficult. Yeah. That was easy. Oh, I got a key now. So, what's in this? I should have opened this door instead, but anyway. I don't know how to use this book. Why? Oh. That was the place I wanted to blow it up, but... Oh, this is what it's for. Okay. Boom. Nothing. It was worth it. Let's go to level 2. Why does this level have a clock on it? I don't know. I'm just playing. I want some pill. Oh. Flies and poop room. Mouche et caca in French. I will do some translating sometimes so you can learn French. And you didn't come for nothing. Come on! I really prefer to play with Azazel. Can't remember his fucking name. Oh, this is the bomb. Oh! No! Get out! This is coin. This is good. This is a key. This is also good. How can I enter this? Looks interesting. Oh, that's not fair. But I have a key. So, this cost way too much. I can try to blow this up. Like this. Get the bomb. Explode this one. Oh, I'm doing shit right now. I'm gonna refill the book I just found and blow it up. Oh, that's only half enemies. They're missing their heads. This game is not realistic. A body cannot function without the head. Un corps ne peut pas fonctionner sans la tête. As you can see, I'm a really good player at Isaac. It was a joke. So, sloth. What's sloth in English? Paresse? Sloth. What? He's pooping little enemies. Okay, this one is a bit harder than the Pride. But maybe because I'm a piece of shit at this game, that should be taken in account. Come on. I tried to make a French channel before, but I don't know what to say. In French, in English it comes naturally. I don't know why. I got the 2 of spade. Le 2 de pique. I want to go in there. Oh, look. My book is full. We're gonna blow everything in the next room. What was the key? Oh no, this is a single bomb. I did shit. Come on. Okay. So I suppose this will be enough. Okay, 2 hearts. That's not bad, but I rather have the coin. You can't have everything in life, isn't it? So the boss is on the right? What's this icon? Oh no, that was the little boss. Okay, what's in this? In there? Oh, that was very vicious. Oh, there's a lot of people here. They died by themselves because of the fire. That's quite arranging. That's quite arranging. You don't want to take it because you're a dumbass. Oh, this is the big poop. I like this boss. It makes me laugh because poop makes me laugh. It doesn't work, for fuck's sake. I want to use my super bomb book. Has you poop has ever siffled in the toilet before? Because this one can. Maybe it's the poop of a musician. A very, very staminated pulp. Pulp. I said pulp. Pulp means calamar in English. Fuck. That's it. Take your breath. Come on, die, you motherfucking aberration. Oh, I only got half an heart left. Oh, that was close. Okay, I won. I'll take this. I don't know what's the white heart was, but it's an art. It's for me. I got art here too. It's good. I have 2 keys. So I can enter this door and take this. Reusable air. Oh no, I prefer this. It's more. I don't know this item. I will take it just to see if it's good or not. So let's try this in this room. Huh. I really prefer the first one. Okay, I'll take this. Why not, after all? I'll switch my item again, because I'm not satisfied by this one. Was it in there? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Let's go to the 3rd level. You know, I like to eat baguette and cheese. Oh. That was good. We are in the catacomb and we just destroyed a little shit. Green shit. I don't know what it is, but I don't want to find out. Oh, this one is about to blow up, I think. Let's just... Okay, that's not really what I call a menace. Oh! I wasn't expecting that. A key. I like keys. I want to fly. Come on! Oh, this is bad blood. Okay. I didn't notice. I got the yank. Oh! It was an item of resurrection, I think. Oh! Boy, you are so fast. Just die already. Yeah, this is gonna be complicated. Die, 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 die. My item. I got an item that could be useful here. That's it. Okay. Why this doesn't work anymore? Don't throw me bones at me. I'm not a dog. You little skull. How can I reach that? Seriously, that's not fair. So, $15 for a boomerang. Yeah, I can't get to this platform, so I don't see the point. Oh, maybe by this. Yes, I'm happy right now. I am smiling. Maybe you can hear it in my voice. Ah, this one is not gonna be easy, but... Oh, already the boss? Beneath that? I don't fly. I got 1 heart. I am not in a good situation. Oh, everything is exploding in green. That's not good. I died. But I think... Yeah. Oh. Like I am a zombie. I like it. It is quite hard, this room. I can't shoot in diagonals. That's too bad. Actually, I am speaking, but you can see my real level here. I'm not good at this game. I told you. I have shit items. Ah! Come on. I died. Okay. Thanks for watching. Eat baguette and bisous. Oh là là.